Hello students and welcome back to SciVerse with Adnan. Today, let's talk about a beautiful sky event, the lunar eclipse, and why the moon sometimes turns red. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes directly between the sun and the moon. Normally, we see the moon because sunlight reflects off its surface. But during an eclipse, Earth blocks most of that sunlight and casts its shadow on the moon. You might expect the moon to just go completely dark, but instead, it often glows a deep red or orange. This happens because when sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, the shorter wavelengths like blue and green scatter away, while the longer red and orange wavelengths bend around the Earth and still reach the moon. As a result, the moon shines with this reddish glow, which is why we also call it the blood moon. It's the same effect that makes our sunsets and sunrises look red. So, a lunar eclipse is not just Earth's shadow hiding the moon, it's a reminder of how light, atmosphere, and cosmic alignment work together to create one of the most stunning sights in the night sky. Thank you for watching SciVerse with Adnan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science facts.